for late timing, but this one for a bit, and it done a squeaky tone. This is part 3 of trains at Newport, so see you when a train comes. Okay, there's a Class 800. Oh, they're one tone. Okay, see you when a train comes.
67. That is my favourite 66 one by far. Slash 67.
Or
7.
67.
6.
66, yeah, I thought so.
Accelerating.
Oh, where's the thrash?
And exhaust.
Another DB.
Double header.
Double header!
Wow, that sound!
That's rare double header here at Newport. Wow!
That sound though.
Go on, DB!
You're a little high on the camera, mate.
Yeah, I know, I meant to.
There we are.
Like that.
Oh, too low. Oh, too high. Oh.
Sorry about that. See you when a train comes.
Ow.
Which is right now.
150.
Okay, see you when a train comes. Okay, there's a cross country 170.
Oh, D-badge one. It's got no branding on the front and back.
Ah.
It doesn't got the X. What happened
that's
cross country? A 10.
See you when a train comes. It was 110 like Danny Transport Vlogs just
Oh,
said. Okay, there's a DVT on its way. Oh!
That's not a DVT.
That's not? You sure? Here it comes.
It is a DVT. I was wrong.
Oh, wow!
XTC one.
Hello, DVT. Horns on that was epic.
And it's got a black button on the back.
Oh, full black set. Nice.
Heck yeah. A 22 and 225 on the front.
Okay, see you when a train comes.
It's over there.
There was a 66 one over there. Very nice. There's a little dude. Little dude.